notification.
I will not only screenshot.
I will not only screenshot.
I will have money to buy.
I will have money to buy.
I will not inherit enemies.
I will not.
So welcome back to my channel, everyone. It's been a while since I had posted a proper video. So today I'm here to unbox my dream car, but the twist is that it is only a scale model. Knowing that I'll never be able to own one of these models in real life, I take the thrill in unboxing the scale models. So here is my cutting tool, and without any further ado, let's get started with the unboxing. So out of excitement, I had just peeled off this part of the package, but later I thought that I should make a video for you guys. Here it is. So moment of truth, everyone. Let's go. Let me tell you something about the scale model. The scale model is made by the company Ferrari, and the scale model even is very hard to find. So I have been scavenging for this model for almost 2 years now. I mean, since the lockdown, and finally last week or so I found it in the Amazon. I just can't explain how happy I was. But let me tell you, this car cost me a fortune. And I asked the Amazon sellers to properly tag the thing, so they have taken extra care. It's nice. Here it is, everyone. This is the Ferrari F50. Very nice bubble wrap in here. So here's the first look, everyone. As you can see, it's very beautiful. It's gorgeous. So before moving forward with my unboxing video, let me give you some general information about this Ferrari F50. It is a mid-engine sports car manufactured by Ferrari from 1995 to 1997. The car is powered by a 4.7-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine. It was tuned to generate a power of a whopping 739 horsepower at 10,500 RPM. Can you just imagine 739 horsepower back in 1995? And a total of only 349 F50s were ever produced, and that's what makes it more unique and collectible. And at the beginning of this video, I had told you that I will never be able to own one of such vehicles, so that's the reason why. So let's continue with this unboxing. Hope you guys enjoy. this, my video comes to an end. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, I thank you from the top of my heart.